Now we're going to switch gears and go into a different type of employment problem that I've seen a lot of over the years. That is whether the people working for you are employees or independent contractors. In real life, it's not always that cut and dried. The circumstances that I find drive this determination usually turn around the amount of control an employer is allowed to exercise over an employee. If an employer has the absolute right to control and direct the performance of an employee, that's indeed an employment relationship. This is true even if the employer didn't actually exercise that much control. This is found in Regulation 31.3121D through 1C. In addition to the dominant control factor, the IRS uses 20 additional factors to make this determination. You can find these factors under Revenue Ruling 87-41, 1987-1 CB 296. The complexity of these 20 factors in applying this test leads to a large gray area. This area is gray because it's not always clear which factors the IRS is going to apply heavily or lightly in reaching this determination. I can tell you this, if you have someone working for you 40 hours a week, 5 days a week, for years on end, it's very, very hard at that point to call that person an independent contractor when you're their sole source of income and they report to you for their entire livelihood. Competent legal counsel will be able to advise you on whether you should be classifying somebody as an independent contractor or as an employee. A worker may be classified as an independent contractor if certain circumstances are met, but this classification is never without its risks. The tests that need to be satisfied to call someone an independent contractor are as follows. Is there a judicial precedent that you can point to in claiming this person is an independent contractor? Is there an IRS ruling, technical advice, letter ruling, or past audit you can point to in supporting that this person is an independent contractor? Legal counsel will be able to help you with this. A skilled professional like a physician, a CPA, are sometimes classified as independent contractors or as employees. The number of employees that you have and the length of their service is immaterial in making this determination. It is immaterial that the person is not employed in the capacity of an employee as the payment is made to later on determine that they should have been paid wages and not on a 1099. That's under Regulation 31.3401D1B. I sometimes tell my clients, simplify greatly. If you hire somebody and you call all the shots, you have complete control and dominion over their performance, they're an employee. If they call all the shots, they show up when they want to, they leave when they want to, they do the work in the manner they want to, and they respond to no one, they could be an independent contractor. It's never safe to call someone an independent contractor though.